Hey everybody, no, that's not what I would say. Hey people, Jay here and welcome to my channel. So today's video is a power hour and it is hosted by Jessica from Jessica Myrose, and it is in collaboration with some other wonderful ladies here on YouTube. So be sure to check out Jessica's channel as well as the playlist of all the other participants in today's challenge. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So in today's video, I needed to clean out my refrigerator before I went grocery shopping. For those that are new here, I am a stay-at-home wife and mom, and on my channel, I do cleaning, decluttering, organizational type videos, grocery hauls, and my new favorite top things for the month. If that interests you, then be sure to subscribe for more content. Okay people, that took a little bit longer than I expected it to. I should have thrown this away 2 years ago. Well, at least since last year. This should have been thrown away.
Nothing can make me back down. With you I fly so much higher. Yeah. I'm never stuck on the ground. You see me from falling, 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 falling. You're taking me up and up and up and away.
So here is part 2 of me using this product Angry Mama to clean my microwave. In part 1, things did not go as I had planned. If you are interested in seeing what happened in part 1 of that Angry Mama video, link in the cards above, as well if you stay tuned to the end of the video, you can see and click on that video to see what happened.
The thought of you is what keeps me alive. You touched my soul like a phantom, and you did it right from the start. Like nobody is watching what we're doing, like nobody is watching us, like nobody is judging while we're dancing. We're dancing till we get lost.
Alright you guys, so I have 5 minutes left. I was going to go downstairs and clean my tub, but I'll have to leave that for another day because I just really won't have enough time by the time I get down there. I think it'll take a little bit longer than 5 minutes, you know. Anyway, that is all that I have for you guys today. Be sure to check out the playlist of all the other participants and see what they have done for their power hour. Also, don't forget to check out Jessica's channel. She has wonderful content, so be sure to check that out. And I'll see you guys in the next one.